Hi, Chef Patrick here. Today I'm going to make Texas barbecue shrimp with cheesy grits. This is a dish I made in Argentina when I was down at the Mendoza Park Hyatt Hotel for a food and wine event. We were featuring the tastes of Texas. As I prep the vegetables with this Miyabi chef's knife, I want to talk a little bit about the preparation of the grits. I start out by soaking the grits in a cooking liquid. In this case, I soaked them in chicken stock for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. Soaking them overnight is the best though. By soaking the grits, it allows them to cook a little bit quicker, they come out just a little bit creamier, and they're much easier for the body to digest. I'll start by cooking the bacon strips I cut down into little crisps. I add just a little bit of water in there in the beginning. As that water evaporates, it allows some of the bacon fat to melt out so it doesn't burn the bacon before that fat renders out. I'll take some of the bacon out and save it for later use. Leave some in there for the grits, and add some onions and saute. Then I add in the soaked grits and the cooking liquid, and stir it as it comes up to a boil. It's critical to keep stirring the grits early in the process here until they achieve what's called suspension, where they're no longer sitting on the bottom of the pot, but yet suspended in the liquid. Once they achieve suspension, turn down the flame and stir regularly until they thicken. Once they're cooked, that's when I stir in the cream. Next I stir in the cheese and then hold it for service. Here I'm using some sharp cheddar, but you could use a smoked cheese if you'd like. I preheated a De Meyer saute pan here made by Zwilling with a little bit of oil in it, and I saute the shrimp. I cook the shrimp about halfway and then remove them to be added back in later. I preheat another De Meyer saute pan with some bacon grease in it, and then saute the onions and garlic. As these onions and garlic are sauteing, I'd remind you to go to the Zwilling Henkel's website to find out more about the De Meyer pans and the Miyabi knives. By clicking the Shop for Chefs link, you'll go to the website where they're helping out chefs that are out of work during the pandemic. I seasoned with some chili flakes, salt and pepper, and then added the mushrooms and let things brown just a little bit before I added in some beer. Then I let the liquid reduce just a little bit before adding in some barbecue sauce. When the flavors have had a chance to meld together, I add back in the partially cooked shrimp and let them finish cooking as it all heats up. I wait till the very end to stir in the scallion tops and bacon crisps. I want to keep a nice bright green color on those scallions. When it's time to plate up, I get the cheesy grits and put a nice portion in the center of a bowl and top it with the barbecue shrimp mixture. A last minute garnish with some bacon crisps and scallion tops, and you're ready to serve it. Enjoy! See you next time.